Why does it seem like the rich keep getting richer, while everyone else struggles just to get by? Is it because they're smarter, luckier? Or is there something they know that most of us don't? Here's the hard truth. The rich play by a different set of rules. Rules they never teach you in school. Rules that are hidden in plain sight. And today I'm going to reveal exactly how the wealthy continue to multiply their fortunes while the rest remains stuck in the same place. If you're ready to take control of your finances, build real wealth, and unlock the secrets the rich don't want you to know, then this is the video for you. Welcome to your financial freedom. On this channel, we help you master your money, grow your wealth, and take back control of your financial future. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment telling us what financial freedom means to you. Let's dive in. Section 1. The myth of hard work. Let's start with the first lie most people believe. Hard work equals wealth. Look, I'm not saying hard work isn't important. It is. But if hard work alone made people rich, wouldn't every construction worker, nurse, or teacher be a millionaire? The truth is, the rich don't rely on hard work. They rely on leverage. Leverage is what allows them to do less and earn more. It's why someone can work 40 hours a week flipping burgers and struggle to pay rent, while someone else works the same hours managing investments and earns millions. The secret is in how you use your time, your money, and your resources. And that's what we're going to break down in this video. Section 2. Rule 1. The power of passive income. The first rule the rich follow is this. They don't trade time for money. Instead, they build systems that allow them to earn money passively. This is where the concept of financial freedom comes in. Let's define financial freedom clearly. Financial freedom happens when the income from your passive investments is enough to cover your desired lifestyle. In other words, when your money works for you, instead of you working for money. For example, if your lifestyle costs $3,000 a month, and your passive investments bring in $3,000 or more, congratulations, you've achieved financial freedom. Here's an example of how the rich use this rule. Imagine you own rental properties that generate $1,000 per month each. If you have 3 of these properties, that's $3,000 a month in passive income, money that comes in while you sleep. Compare that to working a job, where the only way to make more money is to work more hours. The takeaway? Start building assets that generate passive income. This could be through real estate, dividend-paying stocks, or even creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Section 3. Rule 2. They use other people's money, OPM. Here's another secret. The rich don't always use their own money to grow their wealth. They use other people's money. This might sound unfair, but it's actually a brilliant strategy. Take real estate investing, for example. Let's say you find a property worth $200,000. Instead of paying the full amount, you put down a 20% deposit, $40,000, and take out a mortgage for the rest. Over time, your tenants pay off the mortgage with their rent payments, and the property appreciates in value. After 10 years, that $200,000 property might be worth $300,000, and you've only invested $40,000 of your own money. That's the power of leverage. Even if you're starting from $0, you can apply this rule by improving your credit score, learning how to manage debt wisely, and finding opportunities where you can use borrowed money to generate returns. Section 4. Rule 3. They invest early and consistently. The rich don't wait to invest. They understand the power of compound interest, which Albert Einstein called the 8th wonder of the world. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest to grow your wealth exponentially. Here's a practical example. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 25 and you earn a 7% annual return, by the time you're 65, you'll have nearly $500,000. But if you wait until age 35 to start, you'll only have $240,000. That's less than half just because you started 10 years later. The lesson here? Start now. Even if it's just $50 a month, get in the habit of investing consistently. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Vanguard make it easy to start with small amounts. Section 5, Rule 4, they focus on assets, not liabilities. One of the biggest differences between the rich and everyone else is their focus on assets versus liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. Here's a quick example. Buying a $30,000 car? This is a liability. Its value decreases and its maintenance involves costs. Investing that same $30,000 into dividend stocks? Instead, this is a resource whose value increases and guarantees you a regular income. The rich prioritize building their asset column: real estate, stocks, businesses, intellectual property. These are the things that make them richer over time. On the other hand, most people prioritize liabilities like expensive cars, clothes, and gadgets. The takeaway? Invest in assets that appreciate in value or generate income. Section 6, Rule 5, they learn continuously. The rich never stop learning. They read books, attend seminars, and surround themselves with other successful people. Why? Because knowledge is the ultimate form of leverage. Here are a few books the wealthy swear by. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, a must-read for understanding assets versus liabilities. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley, a deep dive into the habits of everyday millionaires. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, a timeless guide to building wealth through mindset and action. The best part? You can start learning for free. Watch YouTube videos like this one, read blogs, and invest in your education. The more you learn, the more you earn. If this video is opening your eyes to the rules the rich play by, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button to help more people see this content. Subscribe to Your Financial Freedom, and let us know in the comments which of these rules you're ready to start following. Let's build a community of wealth builders together. Section 7. The habits that keep the poor poor. Let's flip the script for a moment. What keeps most people from becoming rich? The truth is, it's not their income, it's their habits. Here are 3 habits you must break. 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. If you're spending everything you earn, you'll never get ahead. Start by saving just 10% of your income. 2. Not investing. Inflation eats away at your money if it's just sitting in a bank account. Learn to invest it wisely. 3. Chasing quick fixes. Wealth isn't built overnight. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and focus on sustainable strategies. Breaking these habits requires discipline, but the reward is worth it. True financial independence. Section 8. The end goal, your financial freedom. Let's take a moment to imagine what life looks like when you've mastered these rules. Picture waking up every morning knowing your investments are paying your bills, your wealth is growing, and you have the freedom to spend your time however you choose. That's financial freedom, and it's not just for the rich. It's for anyone willing to learn, take action, and stay consistent. If this video inspired you, don't stop here. Subscribe to Your Financial Freedom for more videos that will help you unlock the secrets to wealth. Hit the like button to support the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. What's the first rule you will start applying today? Thank you for watching. And remember, the difference between where you are now and where you want to be isn't luck. It's the actions you take. Start today. Your financial freedom is waiting.